Hey YouTube, today I'm going to show you how to change your Splutch system in your Whirlpool Kenmore washer. It's the type with the 6 lights. What you're going to need is obviously your new Splutch, a 5/16, a Phillips, and a 1/2 inch socket. What we'll do, set all the tools on the ground here, unplug the machine, tilt the machine back against the wall, make sure it's good and secure, not going to come forward and smash you. If you want something to lay on, go ahead and lay that down. First, we need to take the 5/16 and remove the cover. There'll be 2 screws on each side of the cover. I've already replaced the back side, or removed, I mean. Remove your actuator. After you remove this Splutch, you are going to have to recalibrate the machine, and I have a video showing how to recalibrate this unit. Really easy to do. So after you get this done, you'll have to look that up. Okay, just let your actuator hang there out of the way. Keep all your screws and stuff gathered. Slide the belt off by just grabbing it and turning. Lay the belt to the side. Take the, actually I said 1/2 inch earlier, this is a 13 millimeter. Take the 13 millimeter bolt loose. Lay it to the side. Pull your pulley. Now on this Splutch, it's going to have a little key or little tabs. You need to push them tabs. Okay, I've pushed all the tabs. Now I just lower the Splutch. The spring rides over this. The spring will come off. Inspect your splines, make sure everything looks good. This one does. Open your new Splutch kit. This unit doesn't actually need a Splutch, so I'm not going to open this Splutch kit, but I'll reverse what I just done here. Put the spring on. Better yet, being that I'm one-handed, line it up with these tabs and just push up all the way around, all 4 tabs. Now that's pushed in. Inspect your pulley. Unless your kit comes with a pulley, then you can just put the new pulley on. But you want to inspect the teeth in here and the teeth out here if you're reusing your old pulley. Slide that back up on. Put your bolt back. And just reverse everything that we just done. Put the belt back on. This is kind of hard to do one-handed, but there we go. Now we'll reinstall our actuator, making sure to get this actuator arm inside that loop right there, like that. See that? Make sure you get that in there. Put your two Phillips back in. Put your cover back on. Tilt the machine down, plug it back in, and then go check out my video that shows you how to recalibrate this, because it will have to be recalibrated so everything is in time and in sequence. Hope that helped you out. You guys take care.